Kazakhstan. Take me around Almaty, Almaty, Kazakhstan. Going around Kazakhstan. Take me around Almaty, Almaty, Kazakhstan. Going around Almaty, around and round and round, all around Almaty. Kazakhstan, take me around Almaty, Almaty, Kazakhstan.
Okay, we're in Almaty. We're going to be starting at the Ascension Cathedral. This is one of the largest, this is the largest wooden structure in the world. We're going to see if we can go in, but we're also going to just give you a taste of Almaty, Kazakhstan. So we're going to start in here, and then we're going to kind of meander about and just give you some random images of Almaty so you can get an idea of what it's like yourself, as if you were here yourself. Got my cool hat. Almaty, Kazakhstan. This is actually from the China side, so I was exploring Central Asia. But this is video number 2 of Almaty. I have 5 total, so you see different parts of the city. And we're just going to put it up on the map so you can see kind of where Kazakhstan is. But I'm going to be all over the place in Almaty. So starting at the church, there's going to be a little bit of music to that, so hold tight for that. And then it just gets into pure walk and talk, where I walk around and I'm kind of narrating and talking into the camera and kind of looking for some murals and all kinds of cool stuff. Take a train. Anyways, let's just go there as if you were there yourself. So come on along with me. Almaty, Kazakhstan. Yep, Ascension Cathedral. So 1905 is when it came about. Oh, sorry, built in 1907. And it's Russian Orthodox style. Colorful drones and wooden craftsmanship constructed without nails, it says. So we're going to walk around to the front, and it showcases Russian Orthodox. And we saw a tour group. We're going to try to go in a little bit. And it's we're in something called Panvilov Park, surrounded by trees. So we're going to be going through here a little bit and give you an idea of the city as well. Small correction, the second largest wooden structure in the world. Maybe the first without nails, but anyways, made of wood. Okay.
Kazakhstan, take me around Almaty, Almaty, Kazakhstan. Going around Kazakhstan. Take me around Almaty, Almaty, Kazakhstan. Going around Almaty, around and round and round, all around Almaty. Kazakhstan, take me around Almaty, Almaty, Kazakhstan.
So now we're back outside. I think the best thing we can do is put music to that, since I was quietly in there. And we're gonna meander about and get lost a little bit in Almaty. And actually we're gonna try to go to a place where there's some artwork, a bunch of murals, and kind of a hipster neighborhood, I hope. I don't know, we'll see. I'll let you know when we get there, and we'll see what we can find along the way. These pigeons. Very cool. Just gonna walk right on out of here. It's kind of interesting though. Kids can take these and ride around in this big area. There's kind of those vehicles everywhere. Pigeons. So we're going to be walking around this way, around the cathedral to the other side. I'm still pretty impressed with the inside of that. Like the outside looks really cool, of course, but then the inside is amazing. Wow. Incredible. And now we're just kind of in this park. Big giant park with families and chairs and places to sit. Gonna meander through it. Kind of just struck by how quiet and peaceful it is. We're right in the middle of Almaty in this park with that beautiful cathedral, and it's like so quiet and peaceful. There's trees everywhere. Pretty interesting. Just kind of trying to capture a little taste of Almaty just so you can kind of see. Sometimes there's these colorful buildings, lots of these long sidewalks, big wide sidewalks like this, and these big roads as well, with this little thing right there. I see this kind of ubiquitous everywhere throughout Almaty. I guess it's like a drainage system. Anyways, we're going to be walking this direction for about 20 minutes. So I'll just turn the camera on and off at interesting, cool stuff. Here's another thing about Almaty. Lots of these little scooter shares. And there's a McDonald's. So we're just walking by. It looks like kind of like a drive-through one for that place, so you can sit outside as well. Good for the summer. So we're going to keep on meandering. Give you an idea. You can see these kind of housing. These are kind of ubiquitous as well everywhere throughout. And there's lots of parks, so you can see some parks again coming up. So a lot of green space, places to sit, get outside. Yeah, and there's a lot of these in Almaty as well. So we're walking pedestrian path with places to sit. Some tall 6-story apartments, I think. Kind of everywhere throughout as well. Okay, we're gonna keep on going. We have a destination. We're gonna go all the way down to a place where I think there's a bunch of artwork on murals. Go check it out. And you get to see Almaty as well. From a distance, it looks like he was a soldier looking down that way. We keep on walking down. Okay, so I was looking to find this art district. I think I found it. Right over here. So there's supposed to be some artwork everywhere throughout here, so we're going to capture some of it. This nice mural. These are kind of the apartments that go up and down here, so people's backyards. Kind of a nice little oxygen and trees and such. So we're going to try to find more of this kind of artwork. So I heard it's throughout this area. So that's the first one I saw over here. And we're also going to take a train back so you can get an idea for what that looks like too. As long as I feel comfortable filming the train. Sometimes they have issues. There's a beautiful birch or poplar tree, the white one. So it looks like they have these all the way down as well. And we're gonna just walk down that way more and see if we can see more. Check out these apartments too. They got these big balconies everywhere. So we're capturing more of this artwork. so I think this is the art side, and there's one up on the corner too. We're going to capture that in a moment. There we go. And then it says like art side teen right there. I guess that's a bar. And it looks like there's some other stuff down here too. Sweet home and a map. I guess there's some historical relevance here. Oh. So we're gonna see if we can find more references like that. Okay. So I think we're gonna keep exploring. So I guess we're kind of walking down this way, and there's kind of interesting stuff down this way too. Some shops. Mirror right there as well. But I think we're gonna walk down that way, and we're just gonna look for artwork because it's supposed to be around this corner in this whole area. There's some artwork up there too. While we're walking, check out these giant trees. These are massive. Just to give you an idea, that's my hand. It looks like they're like I don't know what they're called here. Like in Michigan, United States, they have these trees, but they're much smaller and thinner. They're called poplar or birch. I don't know if you know what these are. Let me know. Beautiful trees. I love that white bark like that. Yeah, another tree right there as well. Yeah, just let's see. Maybe I'll try to go like that. Maybe you can see the size of that. If you can see the size of that or not, but they're pretty massive. I don't know if I help at all because I'm close in and those are further away, but anyways. We're gonna go up to that main street, look for more artwork, and then we're gonna go down into the subway, which I heard is quite beautiful as well. There's a lot of references here, so of course I don't know who that is and I can't read the language, but it is a kind of a cool building. There's balconies and sit outside like that. Anyways, keep on strolling around. I don't know what all these are right there. And then there's a Florio, Kazakhstan building over there. A big monument here. Of course, I couldn't tell you who that is. And we're gonna explore more. Here we got some bike lanes for both directions. So we're gonna go towards the station that way, and we'll just see what we can see. Looks like there's some interesting stuff over that way. Let's see what it's all about. Okay, so right now we're at Abbey Street Avenue, and we're gonna try to go down that way, where I think is Abbey train station. So we're gonna go directly down that way, and we're gonna take a look, and then we're gonna go down into the station, and then we're gonna come back out. University of International Business. Okay. This is why all the students are around. Okay. That kind of explains something right there. There's even a mirror right here as well. It's the University of International Business. Looks kind of cool too. There's a Chinese restaurant right here as well, and then there's the sign as well, and I think this is an international school, international business school. So I'm seeing lots of students around, and yeah, kind of this Abbey area, very interesting. Didn't expect that. And right here is also a wall ride skate shop, and that's also right down this university as well. Okay, so this is the train station, Abbey. To the trains right there, and we're gonna go in and see what it's all about. So now we're gonna go deep into the station here. It's like almost vertigo. Ah, amazing. So here we're in the train station, so we got this monument right here, and I think the names of the, this is kind of this nice ceiling, and then we have the names of the train stations, which is here. So we're in Abe, we're going to be going here, and then there's different names. Maybe you can tell me, I think there's some reference cities in Russia, maybe? I don't know. But we're going to be going to this one. Now we're at another station right here, so the train is just coming down. Yeah, lots of detail in here too. And I think we got another long one that's going to go all the way up again. So yeah, really beautiful train stations. I heard about it, and yeah, amazing. Deep underground too. Incredible. Here we're going up again, so this one goes also kind of the same. So we came out at Zibek Zoli, and we're just gonna look down this way a little bit. Oh, here's some kind of cool artwork right here. Kind of get in here a little bit. That's kind of cool. Very cool. Okay. Found something interesting there. I think I've seen some other pictures of this. I think this is a popular place to go, actually. So we're gonna kind of explore around and get a better idea of Almaty. Okay, we're gonna end our video for this one, and we'll kind of reflect. So let me turn the camera around. So I guess in this particular video you got to see the park, the Ascension Church. We walked all the way down to an area called Abe. We took the train all the way back to this area here, and now we're just kind of coming to an end here. We're just kind of walking around randomness. This is kind of something we can see everywhere in here, is these little things here. This is like a drainage system, I guess. Big wide boulevards, and lots of businesses, and these big wide sidewalks everywhere as well. So that's kind of a taste of the city of Almaty, and we have some more coming up, so this will be not the last one. We'll end it right there. Okay, this right here is plow. So you got carrots, meat, and it's really oily. It's really tasty too. And we're in this restaurant with a nice view. Okay, let's go out there.
Take me around Almaty, Almaty, Kazakhstan.